It's a little chilly out this morning, but that won't last long. The sun's up, so it should be warming up here anytime. I'm going to be cleaning the underside of this roof. You don't see it right now, but I'll get you up here where you can in a minute. And I'm just wiping it all down with some acetone. Yesterday I used a wire brush. I cleaned out underneath all the seam here because I'm going to be putting some urethane adhesive / sealant. This is marine adhesive, so it should be good for, you know, exposure to water. Fingers are crossed. It's what I'm going to do. Let's go. So what I'm doing here is I've got this flashing, and this metal is torn right here at these seams, okay? And that's from it getting bent over in the wind. I want to flash this edge, and I've decided that I was going to flash this whole front here. Hang on here, let me make sure. All right, I got a staple here I need to deal with. Just a minute. This tarp is really bugging the shit out of me. That's the thing about having tarps. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Okay, this is all good. I'm happy with this. Okay, I got this here to deal with. I think it'll be okay. Let me just come in here. There we go. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, that will have to work. Alright, so I'm just going to staple this down. Inches. Overlapping a little bit. Whoops. Hammer. Suck. Dropped it. You're gonna fall, aren't you? You don't want that. Well, you get the idea, I hope. I've been procrastinating. I can't do that any longer. I got to get this done. So I'm just going to put a little bead of this urethane at the top edge of this and then staple this down. Do I have a stapler handy? Alrighty, let's get this done. So I'm going to just do it right here where the metal starts. Here. Maybe. Man, you gotta have some muscles to get this shit to flow. What the hell this shit is? All right, let's work from the front here. Let's use this to stand this up like this. Should have brought the stuff. That was a big mistake. All right. Stay up there. No staples, but just about done. Okay, well, the roof is on. Thank goodness. It has been a day and a half of fiddling and fussing and cleaning and bending and rebending, but I got her. Coming up next, we're doing paint prep. We're going to be getting it ready to paint, and then we'll probably get it painted because I'm already well into the paint prep. While I was waiting for other stuff to happen, I went ahead and got started on the sanding. If you like this video, give me that thumbs up. I always appreciate that. If you're not subscribed, do subscribe. Ring the notification bell. Still got a lot of episodes to come. Electrical, plumbing, you name it. There's still a bunch on the list that we're going to get to over the next couple of videos. But that'll have to do it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Till we get together for another truck camper restoration video. Peace. Barking dogs. That dark barkiness sons of bitches. Okay, I gotta clean some tools up. I got urethane everywhere. And I gotta get something in that urethane to keep it from freezing up on me, because I don't want to use that again.